Are you tired of feeling stuck and unmotivated? Do you want to break free from the negative thoughts that are holding you back? If so, then it's time for you to start speaking your affirmations out loud. In this video, we will explore the transformative power of speaking your affirmations out loud and how it can help you unlock your full potential. When you repeat your affirmations silently in your mind, they become ingrained in your subconscious mind. This makes them more likely to influence your thoughts and behaviors. By speaking them out loud, you amplify their power and send a clear signal to your brain that you are serious about creating change in your life. It's like programming your mind to believe in your own greatness. You can find affirmations online or in books, but it's also a good idea to come up with your own. Here are some tips for speaking your affirmations out loud effectively. Find a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. This will allow you to focus on your affirmations and really feel their power. This can help you to feel more connected to your words and to see yourself as if from the outside looking in. You can also use a recording device to capture your voice and listen back to it later. This can help you to track your progress and to identify areas for improvement. Has it made a difference in your life? What affirmations do you find most helpful? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Speaking your affirmations out loud is a powerful tool for transformation, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. It's a simple yet powerful practice that can make a world of difference in your life. So give it a try and see for yourself the benefits of speaking your affirmations out loud. But it's time to let go of those negative thoughts and embrace your awesomeness. You deserve to be cherished and feel good about yourself. Believe in your ability to bounce back from adversity and come out even stronger than before. You have unique skills and abilities that make you stand out from the crowd. You are surrounded by people who care about you and want to see you succeed. You don't need to change a thing about yourself to be loved, accepted, and valued. Believe in your inherent worth and don't let anyone or anything tell you otherwise. Remember, you are not defined by your mistakes or imperfections. You're beautiful, unique, and valuable just the way you are. Embrace who you are and all that you have to offer the world. Don't let anything hold you back. You are enough, and you can do amazing things. Believe in yourself and never give up on your dreams. Believe in the love and support of those around you and use it to motivate you towards your goals. Remember, you are not alone in this journey called life. You have friends, family, and even strangers who believe in you and want to help you succeed. Embrace the love and support of those around you and use it to fuel your passion and drive. You are loved and supported, and you can do amazing things. Don't let anything hold you back. Believe in yourself and never give up on your dreams. Believe in your talents and use them to pursue your passions and achieve your goals. Remember, you are capable of achieving great things, and your potential is limitless. Embrace your creativity, curiosity, and problem-solving skills, and use them to make a positive impact on the world. Don't let anything hold you back. You are talented and capable, and you can do amazing things. Believe in yourself and never give up on your dreams. Remember, you are not defined by your mistakes or setbacks. You're capable of achieving great things, and your potential is limitless. Embrace your inner strength and resilience and use them to fuel your success. Don't let anything hold you back. You're strong and capable, and you can do amazing things. Believe in yourself and never give up on your dreams. Believe in your worth and don't settle for anything less than what you deserve. You are beautiful inside and out. Your kindness, compassion, and intelligence are just a few of the qualities that make you so special. Embrace who you are and all that you have to offer the world. Remember, you are worthy of love and happiness. Believe in your worth and let your inner and outer beauty shine through. You deserve to believe in yourself and know that you are capable of achieving your dreams. Your thoughts become reality. So start thinking positively and expect amazing things to happen. Believe in your ability to succeed and don't let anyone or anything stand in your way. Remember, you are awesome and the world is yours for the taking. To truly unlock your potential and achieve your goals, you need to take action. Possess unique qualities, talents, and abilities that make you stand out from the crowd. You have the power to achieve your dreams and make a positive impact on the world. Believe in yourself and all that you can accomplish. Embrace your strengths and use them to overcome challenges. Remember that you are capable of achieving great things and that your potential is limitless. Affirmations can help you to shift your mindset and cultivate a positive outlook, but it's your actions that will bring your goals to fruition. So as you continue to work on your affirmations, remember to also take steps towards your desired outcomes. Break down your goals into small, achievable steps and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember that every small step you take is a step in the right direction. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. As you inhale, imagine taking in positive energy, and as you exhale, let go of any negative thoughts or emotions. Just make sure they follow the basic guidelines of being positive, present tense, and in the first person. So, get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Let's dive in. See yourself feeling confident, successful, and happy. It's important to really believe in what you're saying and feel the emotions associated with your affirmations. Set aside time each day to repeat your affirmations and visualize your desired outcomes. They should be positive, present tense statements that reflect the kind of thoughts you want to have. Visualization is a powerful tool for achieving your goals. By speaking your affirmations out loud, you bring your mental images to life. For example, if you want to feel more confident, you could use an affirmation like "I am confident in my abilities." So start today. Choose your affirmations, speak them with belief, and watch as the power of positive thinking begins to reshape your life. Or if you want to improve your financial situation, you might say, "I am abundant and prosperous." See, when you say something out loud, you activate the parts of your brain that are responsible for processing language and imagery. This creates a vivid mental picture of what you want to achieve, making it easier for you to stay focused and committed to your goals. When you say positive things about yourself and your abilities, you train your brain to focus on the good and to expect positive outcomes. This can be a game changer when you're facing challenges or setbacks, as it will help you to bounce back quickly and stay motivated. Another benefit of speaking your affirmations out loud is that it helps you to visualize your success more clearly. So now that we understand why it's important to speak our affirmations out loud, let's move on to the next step. It's important to choose affirmations that resonate with you personally and that you can see yourself believing. Consistency is key when it comes to programming your subconscious mind. To make this practice even more effective, you can use the following tips. Use a mirror to see yourself speaking your affirmations. Remember, speaking your affirmations out loud is not just a feel-good practice. It's a powerful tool for creating real change in your life. You are awesome. You're perfect just the way you are. You have the strength and resilience to overcome any challenge that comes your way. Have you ever doubted your abilities or felt like you weren't good enough? We've all been there. You are worthy of love and happiness. You are strong and resilient. You are talented and capable. You are loved and supported. You are enough.